Hey guys, reporting today's coronavirus case is a bit later than usual. Yeah, I was out shopping, so so today, today it is coronavirus day 331. So we have lower cases than usual. Okay, so that's good. So at 1,388 coronavirus cases. Okay, so today I want to talk about after. So it's revealed that they're going to we're going back to color zones right after, starting Monday, so. So so I'm not so sure, yeah. So February 9th. Yep. So, but what's going to happen is if a certain region in Ontario is has high cases, or like a health unit, in that region is has dealing with coronavirus problems, that region will automatically be put in the gray zone. So today's case is 455 is from Toronto. Okay, so I was in Toronto today and it was freezing. Oh, felt like minus 17, and oof. So, oh yeah, just for the weather. So 288 is from Peel region, and 131 is from York region. So okay, so it's just the big three. Again, 45 deaths have been reported today. Although I'm looking for. So apparently there has not been any changes. So. So like the UK. So there's not been nothing about Brazil coronavirus variant yet, but we will find out if it ever showed up, and let's hope it doesn't, because already over 150 plus UK variants are in Ontario, and that's the UK variant that's the one that's the most serious one, and the South African and the first one that we found was in Peel region. So a person, citizen of Peel region somehow got affected by someone who got this person never interacted with this person who went to Africa and came back. So that's the question we're all wondering. How? So it might have been like something like similar to like how the 80-year-old man from living in London Middlesex region, who somehow got affected with the UK variant by someone who went to United Kingdom and came back. I don't know, when someone near him maybe, and then he got it. The 80-year-old man never traveled outside of Canada. No known history. So yeah, but yeah. So yeah, he's healthy now. So that's good. So I guess starting Monday, we are having we're back to regular color zones. So they may do this because like so many people are overwhelmed and everyone's stressed out, and yeah. So until each region transitions back into a color-coded framework that allows the province to rank health units based on case numbers and trends. So here's an update. So this is Northumberland-Quinte West and Kingston Frontenac Lennox and Addington region, Renfrew County, and the area of Timiskaming are expected to move in the least restrict. So we're back. So this area is going back into the green zone on Wednesday. So this means restaurants and non-essential businesses are opening. So February 15th, so on February 15th, every single region except Toronto, Peel region, and York region will be going back to green, yellow, orange, or red zone, or possibly even gray zone. So yeah, so this is good to hear. So of course, the Toronto, Peel region, and York region are expected to be the last to make that transition on the week of February 22nd afterwards. But if there are any changes, that could change. That could be extended. It could be earlier. We'll find out. So this is good. This is good news. So, of course, it's the rural regions. Yeah, Northumberland. So I have updated the list down below. So stay-at-home rules are still in effect until the date, Monday for basically Haliburton, Kawartha, Peterborough, the Northumberland-Quinte West region, Kingston Frontenac Lennox and Addington region, Renfrew County, and Timiskaming County. Yeah. You guys are back. So, like, please mark your calendars for this, which is important. So, just as a reminder, stay-at-home regulations are still in effect until February 9th. Or until, your designated date. So, February 9th for certain parts, and February 15th for certain parts, and February, for the rest of Ontario, minus Toronto Peel region and York region, and February 22nd for Toronto Peel region and York region. So coronavirus rules still and regulations apply to all. So still. So remember, these rules still apply for when you are going shopping, work, school, banking, medical appointments if arranged, business appointments if allowed, childcare services, access to governmental and social services, delivery of goods, caregiving, take your child to the parent or guardian, take someone in the same household to an approved place under the order, helping someone who has experienced domestic violence, unsafe conditions, or in need of emergency assistance. Some people need that, so help them. So you can go out for exercise, you can walk your dog, must be leashed at all times. You know the rules. And only in a dog park section of the dog park you are allowed to walk your dog. And the rest of the park, no. Say skating is allowed, although some towns and cities do not allow it. Vaughan, Ontario is one place that doesn't. Please check. So you can attend a place related to the administration of justice. You can exercise your Section 35 Indigenous or treaty rights. You can go to an airport or transit station for essential travel. Companies like Metrolinx are really pushing people to only go out for essential reasons until because it benefits people if you do these things, then you can visit a house of a person living alone, not someone living with another person or a group of people. No. You can find and obtain animal food. You get veterinarian services and distances is still available. Travel for exam purposes is available and is allowed. Moving or making arrangements to buy or sell property, enter to begin or end a lease. I know some people are moving. So yeah, that's allowed. So just know the rules about how to mortgages and ending terms and how leases. So there are fines for individuals who don't wear a mask or face covering in businesses and other indoor public spaces and other crowded outdoor spaces. You'll get fined if you break this rule. You can get fined and even closures for businesses that are contravening an order. This includes running a business when told to close temporarily, not coronavirus screening staff. So no mask on, breaking capacity rules, no safety rules for staff posted, and not checking your staff are following coronavirus rules. So if your business is open and you break any of these rules, or a staff member does, this can cost you a temporary closure, and I tell you, you don't want to deal with that, and because several Hamilton businesses have broke these rules, and they ended up on the news, and that can be pretty embarrassing. Because Hamilton, Ontario is known for naming and shaming businesses, and I tell you, it can get ugly. So, And also fines for gatherings exceeding more than 5 people who are not from the same household. So the host will be charged at 10,000 for large gatherings, and everyone who shows up at that large gathering is paid $750 each. So you might end up paying, if it's just like a, you know, it's a gathering. You could end up having to pay a fine of $880, $2,000, and so like and the total number of fines that you end up paying could total up to at least $3,000 combined by like every single person who showed up. So, or it could be more than that. So, please don't. For the safety of other people. So the schools have opened already for and Brant. So we'll be opening they'll already opened to several places, and it will be opening on Monday, February in Brant region, Chatham-Kent region, Durham region, Haldimand, Norfolk region, Hamilton, Huron-Perth region, Lambton region, Niagara region, Simcoe Muskoka region, Waterloo region, Wellington Dufferin Gulf region, and Windsor-Essex region. Toronto, Peel region, New York region will be delayed until Tuesday, February 16th after Family Day. So it'll be easy to remember because, it's after technically a break day. So changes will be made if there like issues involved in coronavirus cases in schools or in a certain town or city. So takeout, drive-through, and delivery services in restaurants, bars, and cafes will be available. Use DoorDash.ca if the restaurant's website isn't working. For delivery, use the app or call. So today's hospitalization is at 1,221 hospitalizations, minus 22. Okay, that's good. 325 patients still in ICU, and 228 of them who are using a ventilator, though. That's plus 3. Plus we have less patients. So I don't really understand why they chose not to show the coronavirus variant cases today, because who knows, the cases might have increased today, and maybe we might have even had coronavirus, Brazil coronavirus variant in Canada somewhere. So long-term care home deaths is unfortunately is at 3,654. And so there's currently 208 outbreaks right now. And 115 have not long-term care homes have not reported no cases, though, which is good. So unfortunately, so it's the same cases. So the outbreaks number is still the same. So please follow coronavirus safety rules. Use social media to contact others. Only going on social like essential travel. Stay out of areas where coronavirus can be high, and follow coronavirus. So stay at home regulations until it's until we're going back to the color zone rules. Which means I will be uploading the color zone rules again. So yeah. So please keep if you could keep a track. So I've mentioned it down below. So keep track. So don't go to other provinces for vaccinations. Fine is $500 and 6 months in jail for breaking the safety rules. Stay safe. So at least we have some good news.